Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today, we're learning how to change your Skype password. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. In order to change your Skype password, go to your web browser. First in the URL box type in Skype.com, hit the enter on your keyboard. And you'll be able to see that you have landed on the official website of Skype. Sign into your account first by clicking on the sign in button. And clicking on my account from the pop-up, enter your credentials in order to sign in. Enter your password on the next page and click on sign in. After you're signed into Skype, you can easily change your Skype password. If you remember your old password, open your profile image at the top right. Click on My Account, and the My Account page scroll all the way down, and at the left-hand side menu, you'll see an option to change password. Click on it. And you'll need to verify your identity first. In order to do so, click on this button over here, and an email will be sent to the particular email address of yours. So go to your email address, and check the mail. Click on the email that you received and you'll be sent a security code to your email. Simply copy the code and go back to your Microsoft page. Paste the code. After you're done, click on Verify Now. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter your current password. Enter the password for your account first. In case you forgot the password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions. Now on the next field, type in your new password and re-enter the password to confirm that it is correct. If you want Skype to make you change your password every 72 days, then check this box over here. If not, uncheck it and click on Save. After that, you'll need to enter your password one more time and click on Sign In. With this, you have successfully changed your password. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.